How to hide price in Shopify. So right here, as you can see, my products have prices, but if we want to hide those prices, then we will go to our Shopify dashboard here and we have to click on online store. This will automatically take us to the themes page, and we want to choose our current theme here and click on the three dots, and then we have to click on edit code. Now right here, it is going to look like this. We want to search files for card and then choose card dot or dash product dot liquid. And this will take us to this code page. Right here, we just want to left click anywhere and press Ctrl+F. And we want to search for price and click on next. Now it's not going to be this one, ELSIF. We want to click on next again, and you want to find this line of code, render price product, so on and so forth. We just want to highlight this entire line of code and delete it and click on save. And now if this saves, if I refresh my store here on Shopify, as you can see, I have hidden the prices for my products. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.